Mabuhay, how you doing everyone? So Chef June is here today. I'm going to be jumping in with a little bit of an English translation for you because obviously Chef June is going to be speaking in Tagalog, the national language of the Philippines. Over to you, Chef June.
Mabuhay! Welcome po sa howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Ngayon, magluluto po tayo ng Bicol Express. Ito po ang ating mga sangkap. Meron po ako ritong coconut milk, baboy, paminta at asin, bawang, siling berde, siling pula, bagoong, kamatis, sibuyas, at suka.
Okay, so very quickly, if you didn't get that, we've got some coconut milk here, 400 ml. We've got pork. We're using pork loin today. Little touch of white vinegar, onion, tomatoes, salt and pepper, garlic, green and red chili. We're going to be adding some water and some oil. And this there is shrimp paste. Let me just show you that. That's the stuff that Chef June is going to use today. Are we going to start?
Yes. Okay po, mag-start na tayo. Mainit na po yung mantika. Gagawin po natin, dadrap na natin yung ating garlic at lulutuin lang natin siya. Maghihintay lang tayo na mag-light brown yung ating garlic, tsaka po tayo mag-a-add ng sibuyas.
Okay, so the oil was nice and hot. We dropped the garlic in. We're going to go for like 15-20 seconds. We're just going to get it nice and brown. And then we're going to be adding the onions.
Okay na po yung ating garlic. Ngayon, i-add na po natin yung ating sibuyas. So, lulutuin ko lang yung sibuyas ng mga 5 minuto. Tapos po, ilalagay na po natin yung ating baboy. Lulutuin natin yung baboy ng mga 5 minutes uli.
Okay, so there you saw the onions going in. Nice and hot, on a really high heat. Then the pork, and we're going to just stir fry this around on a very high heat for about 5 minutes.
Ayan po, naluto na po natin yung ating baboy ng 5 minutes. Ang susunod po natin gagawin, i-add na po natin yung ating bagoong. Lalagay na rin natin yung ating green and red chili at ang ating coconut milk. Lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 5 minuto. Kailangan po yung apoy nyo mahina lang, low heat lang. Pagkatapos po nun, pupunta na tayo sa ating next step.
So, in went the shrimp paste. In went the coconut milk. Both the red and the green chili. We're going to lower the heat now and we're going to cook for 5 minutes.
Ayan po, malambot na po yung ating baboy. Ang panghuli natin gagawin, ilalagay na tayo ng kamatis, suka, asin at paminta. Mag-a-add din tayo ng konting tubig lang. Tapos po, lulutuin ko lang siya for 5 minutes uli. Tapos ready na po siyang iserve.
Okay, so in went the tomatoes, in went the salt and pepper, that little touch of white vinegar and a touch of water. We're going to cook this for another 5 minutes and then it's done. Now, just to let you know that Bicol, if you don't know this, Bicol is a region within the Philippines. Express, I presume, means it cooks really quickly and it's spicy. Bicol people like spicy food, apparently. Right, let's get that on a plate. Thanks, Jin.
Welcome. Ito na po ang napakasarap at maanghang na Bicol Express. Napakasarap po nito lalo na sa mainit na kanin. Muli, marami pong salamat sa panonood ng howtogreatfilipinofood.com, howtogreatfood.com.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! Siguro po nare-recognize niyo yung boses na yon. Ako nga po pala si June, yung voice behind sa howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga followers, subscribers sa aming channel. Dati po, naalala ko pa, sabi nung boss ko, maka 1 million views lang kami, hahalikan niya raw ako. Pero ngayon, nasa 100 million views na po kami. Kaya napakasayo po namin ng aking boss dahil na-reach namin yung 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, sa aming mga viewers, sa mga nagko-comments, good or bad comments, okay lang po yun, natural lang po yun. Kaya sana po, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagsubaybay ninyo sa aming channel, sa howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Napakatagal na panahon na namin ginagawa ito. I think mga 7 years na. Pero continuous lang, consistency lang, ika nga. Kaya na-reach namin itong 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sana walang bibitaw at mabuhay.